So we are a small batch chai company. We work with small scale farmers in Kerala, India, but we hand blend and produce everything and manufacture everything here in Marietta, Georgia. My main thing is teaching people like how easy it is to make chai. So I love the idea of what I learned from my mom, teaching them to my boys, and now sharing that with others who want to learn how to make chai. But then actually translating into business and business plan and manufacturing was amazing to work with Georgia Tech because they really helped us think through the whole process.
The Costco audit project, we knew once we landed Costco that we would have to go through the audit. And we felt pretty good about where we were at. However, when the audit was done, we didn't make it. Working with Georgia Tech, we were able to pass our audit the second time around with flying colors. So we knew once we passed the initial audit that we had to sustain that same processes and procedures. And that's when we engaged with Georgia Tech as almost an extension of our team to continuously work to make sure that we were buttoned up on all the things that we needed to do.
My advice would be to go ahead and get started. Get involved with Georgia Tech as soon as you can.
Without Georgia Tech's involvement, we would not be where we're at today.